Liang, 7th grader in St. Benil. Our topic today is holistic health and development. Hello everyone, how are you? I'm also Humphrey Liang. I will be talking about my healthy habits that I do every day. Let's get started right away. We should not think of health as a condition of being free from physical illness or injury because it is understood to be holistic. When we talk about good health, 5 states of conditions should be considered. 1. Physical. 2. Mental. 3. Emotional. 4. Social. 5. Moral well-being. I want to talk mainly about the physical health maintenance which I acquired as the healthy habits I have been doing for many years. Let's see what your daily routine is like. I usually go biking in the early morning hours around our subdivision and spend about 30 minutes on the 7-kilometer course. The health benefits of regular cycling includes increased cardiovascular fitness, increased muscle strength and flexibility, improved joint mobility, decreased stress levels, improved posture and coordination, and strengthens bones. Karate strikes requires higher intensity because I do 500 regular strikes and 100 double every day. Karate practice strengthens the mind, develops composure, a clearer thought process, deeper insight into one's mental capabilities, and more self-confidence. It strengthens the entire body, improves coordination, quickens reflexes, builds stamina, and overall health. There are many styles of karate, and not all are equally effective as a striking technique. Some focus more on katas and agreed on sparrings, while others focus more on fighting. Karate is still one of the best striking martial arts in the world. Golf is a game that not only challenges your physical skill, but also your ability to stay calm and focused. It turns out, it's also a great way to boost your brain power. No matter what your handicap, golf can provide a fun, social way to stimulate your brain, increase your self-esteem, and sharpen your concentration. I wish I can say golf is a relaxing sport, but actually, it is a very difficult and a challenging game. Depending on what level of standard you want to play, it could become stressful, but you can also enjoy the game just for fun. The pleasure of walking in an open and natural environment and spending time with friends places golfers in a good mood. So the key to good holistic health is to keep up your good habits for the longest time. Thank you for watching our video. Hope to see you again. Bye!